Every agency owner I've worked with agrees on one thing: client retention matters. That's why one finding from Liberty Mutual's 2026 Independent Agency Growth Study stood out to me. 18% of agencies reported retention gains of 5% or more over the past year. When I looked closely at the results, I wasn't searching for any secret sauce or any groundbreaking new ideas. I just wanted to understand what those agencies had in common and what other agencies could learn from their experience. The answer turned out to be surprisingly simple. I'm Shannon Chatman, an advisor with Agent for the Future, an industry-wide initiative by Liberty Mutual to help independent insurance agents stay ahead of emerging trends. With more than 25 years of insurance marketing expertise, I work with agencies on turning priorities into repeatable actions that strengthen client relationships over time. When I work with agencies that are making progress on retention, I rarely find a single breakthrough moment. What I usually see is consistency. Clients hear from the agency regularly. Coverage conversations happen before problems arise. Annual reviews don't get pushed to the side when schedules get busy. Communication becomes part of the agency's routine rather than something that's left to chance. The research reflects that same pattern. According to Liberty Mutual's 2026 Independent Agency Growth Studies, agencies reporting retention gains were more likely to have formalized processes around annual reviews and client education. It makes total sense when you think about it, how client expectations have changed. Clients want updates. They want clear explanations. They really want to understand what's changing with their coverage and why it matters to them. They also want to know that their agent's paying attention, really throughout the year and not just at renewal time. That's why retention often comes down to the small moments. A quick check-in, a conversation about a coverage change, an email explaining a market trend that could affect a client and their policy. None of those interactions actually feels especially dramatic in the moment, but together they create confidence and trust. Another pattern I see in agencies that are growing is a deliberate effort to create more time for those conversations. Sometimes that comes from better workflows. Sometimes it comes from technology. Increasingly, some agencies are using AI to take routine tasks off their plate so they can spend more time where they add more value, helping clients understand insurance needs and making sure they feel supported. The study that found that agencies reporting retention gains were more likely to be saving meaningful time with AI tools. At the end of the day, retention isn't built from one big initiative. It's built from a series of consistent actions that show clients they're valued and supported throughout the year. Strong client relationships rarely happen by accident. They're built through communication, follow-through, and a genuine commitment to helping people navigate important insurance decisions. The agencies making progress on retention have found ways to make those activities part of their everyday operations. For a full retention checklist, along with research articles and practical resources from the Agent for the Future advisors, visit agentforthefuture.com. And if you find this topic helpful, explore the rest of our videos for additional perspectives on client communications, onboarding, retention, and agency growth.